Introducing the Reflective Gel 7.5-inch Junior Dong, a soft and pliable purple penis-shaped jelly dong. The Junior Dong is a 7.5-inch long and 1.5-inch wide jelly stimulator made from the highest quality phthalate-free PVC right here in the USA. The pliable and flexible Junior Dong moves with you and is designed for penetration, and it's waterproof for fun in and out of the water. To increase your pleasure, be sure to use a quality lube like California Exotic Novelties Universal Lube. And don't forget to clean your amazing Junior Dong with California Exotic Novelties Universal Toy Cleaner. Experience orgasmic fun playing with the Reflective Gel 7.5-inch Junior Dong.